Hi, welcome to Driver Training. My name's Chris. Today we're going to explain to you about some of the show me tell me questions if you're in the Toyota Yaris. How would you know the power steering is working before starting a journey? Well, we put pressure on the wheel with our left hand, we start the car with our right, and the wheel should go lighter. So we know the power steering is working. How would you turn the headlights on? Well, we twist the left hand lever. First is side lights, second is headlights. How would we turn the fog lights on? Well, we twist the headlights on, then we twist the middle bit. First one is the front fog light, second one is the rear fog light. And we twist them both off. So how would we turn the headlights on? Well, we twist the left hand lever all the way forward, that's headlights, and then we twist it back and that turns it on. How would you turn the headlights on to main beam? Well, you twist the headlights on, then push the left lever forward and you'll see the blue light at the top of the dashboard there, which means the main beam is on. Then we pull the lever back towards us and twist it till the headlights go off. How would you know if your anti-lock braking system wasn't working? Well, we simply press the button twice to turn the electrics on, and we can see our ABS light comes on and stays on. That would mean we have a problem with our anti-lock braking system. How would you check that your indicators were working before starting a journey? We simply press the hazard lights and then we get out, walk around. We should see 6, 2 at the front, 2 at the back, 1 on the side of each mirror. Then we press the button to turn it off. How would I clear the front and rear screens? Well, the front one, you just press front, turn the aircon off, and then just press it again. To clear the rear screen, just press rear, and then just turn it off.